In our last video, we plotted the beautiful parabola, right? Based on our calculation. Um, okay, let's keep investigating this fun thing. And so now we know this is a constant, right? The distance. This is called the focus of the parabola, and the distance from the focus to the baseline here is, in our case, is 100. What if we change this, right? We modify this constant to see what will happen on the parabola. Let's give it a try. Let's try something smaller. And after that, we'll try, now guess what will happen. Let's run it. Ooh, the opening, right? The opening became smaller. Unfortunately, this guy, the focus should go here, right? We didn't adjust that, but we'll fix that shortly. And then what if we increase this by 50? So it will be, right, from the original 100 to 150. Let's see. Oh, the opening is bigger now. So it means the greater the h, right? I guess the h now should be something. The focus, the new focus is here. So this is 150. So the greater the h, right, the wider the opening becomes. Now what if we can add a slider here, right? So we can dynamically, right, adjust this h. Let's do it. So let's go, let me put it back here, 100, right? Run it. So this is our standard location. Now let's go to main storyboard to add a slider and put it here. So click this one, and where else? Yeah, this one. This is the slider. So let's drag and put it here. Oh, too long. Let's just use this. Okay. So now we needed the connections, right? The connection between this screen widget to our code. Code is the view controller, right? So let's bring up, hold on option key and click view controller. Okay, yes, good. Now, okay, we don't have a connection variable representing our view itself. So let's add this first, the view itself. Okay, so, oh, sorry. Select that, select it, and control drag. This is our canvas view, right? Canvas view, connect. Now the slider. Oh, so hold on control key and drag. Slider, what slider? So let's say parabola slider, connect. Yeah, we still need another connection. So for the action of our like moving of the slider, so hold on control key, drag here. So this time it's an action, and the name, okay, so let's use like slider changed. Okay, and the type is UI slider. Let's connect that. Okay, so now let's give it a try. we can print out. So this is the slider actually. We can use a better name, slider. So let's print out slider dot value, right? Value, yeah, value. So when we move the slider, right, ideally the value will change. Let's see, run it. Let's try move it. Yeah, you see, oh, the value changes between 0 and 1 by default. Okay, 1, yeah, but we need something, right, closer to the value of this distance, 100. So what about, let's change it from 0, can it be 0? Okay, 0 to 200. So how can we set the minimum and the maximum value of this for this slider? We can do it here when view did load. Okay, here now I think we can close that because we already have the connection there. So we can do parabola slider dot minimum value equals, let's say, let's use 1. Okay, parabola slider dot maximum value equals, so what about 200? Let's do that. So now, yeah, let's try it. So this time it should, the range will change from, you see, oh yeah, you see, from 1 to 200. Now we can use this to control this distance. Okay, now let's go back to view, canvas view. We have to pour out this guy, right? Cut and put it here. And because now we need to modify it, so let's change it to var variable, and we can get rid of the comment here. Delete that. So with that ready, the age of, right, it's the property of this canvas view. Now let's go back to view controller. So here, let's update canvas view dot age, right, using our slider dot value. Oh, what's wrong? Cannot assign value of type float to type CG float. Yeah, that's an easy fix. So we can just use the auto fix. So now, yeah, the type of that is float, and we use CG float for all our drawings on the view. So now we can get rid of that. Let's give it a try. Run it. Modify. Oh, nothing changed. What's the problem? Because we did change the value of h, but we never force the platform to re-render the screen. So that's easy fix. Dot set needs display. Yeah, with this code, remember we cannot call the draw method directly. Oh, we can delete that. Drawing code. But we can notify the system, right, to call it indirectly. So here is the how we call the draw method, right, the function indirectly. We notify the system set needs display, so the platform will call the draw function in at its convenience. Now let's run it again. drag. Oh, 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 cool. Wow, you see? So the problem here is like when we run it, right, it stays in its original, in the middle point. So here is, I guess, roughly 100. So now when I touch it, oh, it jumps. Can we fix that, make it more smooth? The idea is, I guess, you guess, we can set its value, right, to this one. Let's see, is it better? Okay, now let's move it. Yes, yes, it looks better, right? Okay, now the last problem, we need to adjust this point so it will follow the change. Okay, for example, now this focus should be here, right, because the lowest point of the parabola should be in the middle between the focus and the baseline. Let's do it. So let's go to canvas view. So well is, yeah, okay, here this Y is where we put the focus. Now it's hard coded to 600. So 600, it should be this guy minus H, right? So it should be 700 minus H. That's it. Now let's give it another try. Yes, you see? The focus, right, follows the movement of everything perfectly. Nice. Nice. So that's it for today. See you next time.